Hi, I'm Sheila Howell, your Central Ohio real estate expert with Red One Realty. If you're feeling overwhelmed by the idea of downsizing, you're not alone. Many empty nesters I work with in New Albany, Granville, and other Central Ohio communities, they feel the same challenge. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to simplify the process and turn downsizing into an exciting, stress-free move that can make your next home a dream home. Let's talk about why downsizing makes sense. So downsizing could be the perfect move for you. You know, maybe the kids have moved out and you're tired of maintaining all of that extra space, or perhaps you're looking to save on utility costs or enjoy a more modern home with the upgrades, the more modern upgrades. So, those are great reasons to make a move. And the benefits of downsizing, include lower maintenance costs many times, modern features, that include energy efficiency items and systems, vibrant communities with social activities. Like that gets me excited. I'm like, okay, let me go hang out with some people. I love that part. I'd like to know what's the number one reason you're considering downsizing. Is it financial savings, less upkeep, or is there something else? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. So decluttering and preparing to move. Let's tackle one of the biggest hurdles, and that's decluttering. I know it can feel daunting to sort through decades of belongings, but here's a tip: start small. So pro tip to decluttering is starting with one room at a time. Don't think about all the other rooms, just start one. And do I'm sure you've seen it on TV before, the keep, donate, discard method. Like that works for me very, very well. And I've seen it work for other empty nesters as well. So another option is to hire a professional organizer if you need. I do have a couple that I could recommend if you're looking for someone that can come in and help you with that process. So keep that in mind. If it's too much, hire someone. And then here's a question for you. What's the hardest item or collection that you have that you do not want to part with? Comment below and I'd love to share advice on how to handle those sentimental pieces. I know I have a few. When it comes time for me to downsize, I'm going to have to make some tough decisions for sure. So next up, finding the perfect downsized home. I talk a lot about condos, but condos might not be the option for you. But once you've decided to downsize, the next step is finding that perfect home. In Central Ohio, there are great many options, from modern condos in downtown to low maintenance homes in Granville. A new build might be a good option, or a patio home. Looking for features that include the accessibility features that you want, amenities like sidewalks because you want to be able to get out and walk when it's nice. You keep those features in mind. And what is the one that you can't live without in your new home? That will really help you kind of hone in on what the home is that you want. It could be a gourmet kitchen or a walk-in shower or close to a golf course. Share your must-haves in the comments. So next up, managing the move with less stress. That is probably more daunting to me than decluttering. So a solid plan can make all the difference. And here's a couple stress-free moving tips. Create a timeline and stick to it. I love my timelines. So that I can help you create a timeline because I really enjoy doing those. All right, so start with trusted movers and organizers, which I have a list that I can provide if you would like. I always come up with 3, and which one you pick is completely up to you. Stay organized. Make sure you label those boxes and very clearly, and create the checklist, because again, that's something that will really help you stay organized during your move. So if you're feeling overwhelmed, I offer a free downsizing checklist that can help you stay organized and on track. So if you want it, reach out to me and I will email it to you or provide a link for you to download. I enjoy helping people get organized. I enjoy taking some of the stress out of downsizing, and I understand how challenging it can be and how tough it is to let go of some of those prized possessions, and talk about what can you take with you and what do you need to either donate or potentially give it to one of your family members, which I know every time my kids come over, I'm like, would you like this? Lots of times they say no, Mom, but I still try. Sheila Howell, Red One Realty, helping simplify your move.